Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Today we are a new video present in front of you that is how to set up Google Nest Hub. The Google Nest Hub is a smart display device developed by Google that integrates the functionality of a smart speaker with a touchscreen display. In this video we will provide you the better information. So don't miss out this video for hassle-free setup. First of all, unbox your product. Inside the box, you should find the Google Nest Hub, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. Plug the power adapter into the Google Nest Hub and then into a power outlet. The device will turn on automatically, and you'll see the Google logo on the screen. Now download the Google Home app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Tap the icon in the top left corner of the app and select Set up Device, then New Devices, in your home. Select the home where you want to set up your Google Nest Hub. The app will scan for nearby devices. When it finds your Google Nest Hub, tap Yes to connect. You'll hear a sound from the Google Nest Hub. Confirm by tapping Yes if you hear it. Now select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. The Google Nest Hub will connect to your Wi-Fi network. Follow the prompts to set up Voice Match, which allows Google Assistant to recognize your voice and provide personalized responses. Permissions: grant necessary permissions for location access, notifications, and more. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the setup process. Your Google Nest Hub is now ready to use. Try using basic commands like, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" or "Hey Google, play some music," to ensure everything is working correctly. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.